Unlocking Wealth with ChatGPT, a beginner's guide to equity investments. Welcome to ChatGPT Innovators, the hub where artificial intelligence revolutionizes the way we think about wealth. Today, we're diving into the world of equity investments with ChatGPT's guidance. Discover how to navigate the stock market and make smart investment decisions. Introduction to equity investments. Diving into equity investments opens the door to owning a piece of your favorite companies, betting on their growth, and sharing in their successes. This path can lead to significant returns, but it's essential to start with a solid understanding of the basics and the risks involved. ChatGPT prompt suggestion. Could you help me start with stock investments as a beginner? Expected insight. ChatGPT will walk you through the initial steps of stock investing, from understanding how to pick stocks to navigating the market waters and deciding how much to invest. This streamlined guide is designed to equip you with the necessary knowledge to start your investment journey with confidence. Importance of equity investments. Equity investments stand out as a powerful vehicle for wealth creation, offering the potential for returns that significantly exceed those of traditional savings. Understanding the pivotal role of equities in beating inflation and achieving financial goals is essential for any aspiring investor. ChatGPT prompt suggestion. Why should I choose equities over traditional bank savings? Expected insight. ChatGPT will shed light on the compelling advantages of equity investments, including the potential for higher returns and the magic of compounding, setting the stage for long-term wealth accumulation far beyond what traditional savings can offer. Analyzing stocks with ChatGPT. Venturing into the stock market requires a keen analysis of potential investments, including a company's performance, financial health, and market standing. Let ChatGPT simplify the complexity of stock analysis for you. ChatGPT prompt suggestion. Can you explain the key financial metrics for evaluating a stock? Expected insight. ChatGPT breaks down crucial financial metrics such as earnings per share, price to earnings ratio, and debt to equity ratio in an easily digestible format, empowering you to make informed decisions about which stocks hold the most promise. Managing risks in equity investments. With the potential for high returns comes the inherent risk of equity investments. However, these risks can be managed effectively through strategic diversification. ChatGPT is here to guide you on how to balance your investment portfolio to withstand market fluctuations. ChatGPT prompt suggestion. What strategies can I use to diversify my investment portfolio? Expected insight. ChatGPT will introduce you to various diversification strategies, such as spreading your investments across different industries, risk levels, and geographical locations, crafting a resilient portfolio that can weather market volatilities. Staying informed and making informed decisions. The stock market's constant ebb and flow are influenced by countless factors. Keeping abreast of these changes is crucial for tweaking your investment strategy to stay ahead. ChatGPT prompt suggestion. Keep me updated on the latest trends in the tech industry. Expected insight. ChatGPT will provide you with a snapshot of the latest movements, technological breakthroughs, and growth opportunities in the tech sector, ensuring you're well informed to adjust your investment approach for optimal results. Our exploration of building wealth through equity investments with the help of ChatGPT has come to an end. Remember, the key to successful investing lies in making well-informed decisions, practicing patience, and embracing continuous learning. ChatGPT is your ally, ready to offer tailored advice and insights. If this journey has enlightened you, please like, share, and subscribe to ChatGPT Innovators. Let's navigate the path to financial success together with the power of AI.